wasn't me. Saw me banging on the sofa, it wasn't me. I even had her in the shower, it wasn't me.
Life is so hard, di ba dapat titilang matigas? Wednesday na at nandito naman tayo sa hashtag Kwentong Harot Wednesday. Etong Kwentong Harot na to, isa to sa mga kwentong hindi ko makakalimutan kasi until now, I have him sa buhay ko and he is one of those people na sobrang tinetreasure ko talaga. So, I met this guy sa Instagram, parang common friends. Yung friend niya ay friend ng friend ko. So, doon nag-start yung harot. And then, naglaylo lang kasi kailangan niya umalis ng Manila for OJT. So, parang wala kaming communication, hindi kami nag-uusap. And then, a year and a half after, one time, may inuman session kami sa borderline. Nakita ko siya. So, alam ko nakita din niya ako kasi tiningnan niya ako. Hindi ko lang siya in-approach kasi baka mapahiya ako kasi baka hindi naman niya ako pansinin. Then, mga past 12 a.m. ata, natapos sila ng mga friends niya. Tapos kami, umalis kami mga 2 a.m. kasi magsasarado na din naman yung place. Hindi ko alam na hinintay niya pala ako sa labas. Tapos yun, lumabas kami, then kumain kami somewhere, and kamustahan, ganun. And at that moment, iba yung feeling ko sa kanya eh. Yung parang, I want this guy as my tropa at wala na siyang magagawa doon. Yung ganun kasi walang awkwardness, walang pabebe moments. At tama ako kasi up until today, kaibigan ko siya. He is one of the best guy friends I have. From this kwentong harot, I would say that I found a friend. Not just a friend, but a guy friend. Yung super close ko. Because we all know na sobrang laki ng difference ng girlfriends and ng guy friends. At sasabihin ko sa inyo kung bakit being friends is better than having romantic relationship with this guy. Una, he helps me understand the male mind. And alam nating lahat that nothing is more confusing and frustrating than trying to get kung anong nasa utak ng mga lalaki. At kapag may guy friend ka, alam nyo, you have a VIP access into the inner workings of the male brain. Having a guy friend is fun. Like yung super close mo talaga ha. Like doing random things you wouldn't normally do. Like making plans without any string attached. Pag gusto nyo kumain sa Pares then go ng 2 a.m. ha, he's the number one person I'd want to chill with. Like gin bulag, red horse kahit walang pulutan. Alam nyo yun. And he's totally okay with spending the night anywhere habang yung iba yung kaibigan andun sa mga jowa nila. Kung kailangan ko ng date sa Valentine's Day, he's down and ready. There's no expectation. Hindi ko kailangan maging maganda. I can be myself. I can be weird. I can be crazy, maingay, pangit, maharot, malakas ang boses. I don't have to be perfect. And you know what's the best thing about having yung super close mo na guy friend? He brings no drama sa buhay mo. He listens and he gives the best advice because he is giving it from a guy's perspective. Hindi ko masasabi na friend-zoned ako kasi hindi naman ako nagkaroon ng feeling sa kanya and vice versa. Siguro mas pinili lang namin maging magkaibigan after the konting harot moments namin, alam nyo yun. Para sa mga babae at sa mga baklang alien out there na katulad ko, having a boyfriend is obviously fantastic for so many reasons. But you know, there's this undeniably awesomeness that comes with having a truly platonic male or guy friend. Believe me.
Call me when you want, call me when you need.